In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to check for blockages on a pressure washer. Before performing any troubleshooting, ensure that the pressure washer is turned off and unplugged. The first thing we recommend checking is that the water tap is completely open. Next, check for any kinks in the hose pipe which may restrict water flow. Additionally, check that there are no kinks or bends in the pressure hose. It is important to check that all of the connections are tight so that there are no leaks. Additionally, check that the seals and gaskets are free from debris. You can use a cloth to remove any build-up around the pressure hose. We recommend using a wire brush to remove any stubborn build-up on the pressure washer connections. The next thing to check is any filters in the valves that may have become clogged. There is usually a filter on the inlet of the pressure washer gun. If your pressure washer is still not working, we recommend using a pin or something similar to remove any build-up in the nozzle. Some pressure washers may come with a tool to do this. Please refer to your user manual to check what is included with your pressure washer. Finally, check that the handle is not being prevented from being in the fully engaged position. Some pressure washers have a locking mechanism which may need to be disengaged before using. For further help and support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.